Wow,
Ano
sarap!
ito? Sweet potato?
Yes. This is crunchy. This is a crunchy french fry.
Naglag.
Ayan.
What's that? Banana.
Ito. Ito. Banana. Ito. Banana.
Kuyan ko nga. Ito, kaya favorite mo.
No. Okra!
Okay yan.
Give me more.
Yan na. Yan.
Right, so we can go eat mukbang. Okay, baby grape.
Is it ASMR?
ASMR. This is a grape. What is this one? This is curry iron stick. I need butter.
What's this?
And cranberry.
Yummy. Sarap. Sarap. Masarap. Sarap, no?
Ako na kulay.
Masarap. Masarap, kuya.
Ako ang kulay.
Tunang mo lang. Masarap. Ito. Okra.
And vegetables, crispy vegetables. Ayaw?
Lasang okra daw.
Okra?
Sarap. So try it. Yummy.
I can just swallow it.
Ayan.
I can drink water.
Ano?
Water.
Okra, sarap na okra.
I got the water. I'm back at my mukbang video. Daddy, I just got some water.
Ito, okra.
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo na okra. Gusto mo lang hindi tuyo na okra. Ito, masarap po okra. Iwag.
Wow! I need my okra.
You try okra.
Okra. It's so
Diba?
healthy. Oh, healthy food. It's a mukbang. Is that a snack? Healthy snack? Is that a healthy snack? This is a healthy snack. In the world of this is yes, vegetable. But there's no more. This is
Ano to?
I think.
Ano to?
Like a potato.
Ano to?
Onion.
Try mo.
No.
Ito mo. Luto mo. Ito na.
Potatoes are healthy.
Wow, sarap.
What is that? A cucumber. This is a cucumber piece.
Ay, wag yan. Ayaw mo na?
Food. Mukbang food. Mukbang food. I could
Tapos ka mag-mukbang?
mukbang.
Banana.
Give me a banana more.
Busog ka? Nabusog ka?
I burped. Sorry, I burped. Sorry, I burped at the video. Vegetable crackers. Crunchy vegetables give you energy. Subscribe so you can buy this. Ganyo pack of this Chorcomel. Mixed fruit, vegetables, and crispy. That is fruit and vegetables crispier. It gives you energy. Bye-bye, plastic.
Carrot.
Oh, this is this carrot.
Oo.
That. This, what is this? Ah. Carrot. Heavy. Can't see.
What?
Mm.